Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today I will guide you how you can apply for undergraduate or graduate scholarship in Singapore. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So this is the home page of Singapore International Graduate Award SINGA. So on left side you see this is for undergraduate studies, and if you scroll down, then this is for graduate studies. From here you can check each and every information regarding to undergraduate or graduate studies. So if we scroll down, then first you see here submission deadline for January 2022 intake is 1st June 2021. So deadline is 1st June. If you scroll down, first is research areas. If you click on this plus sign, then research areas under the PhD program fall broadly under two categories: biomedical sciences and physical sciences and engineering. So first click on any link: A star supervisor and projects, NTU supervisors and projects, NUS and SUTD. So if we click on A star supervisors and projects, so first you have to choose your supervisor. Please note that you will be required to indicate your choices of supervisor in the application form. So click here. From here you can see some research institutes, and if you scroll down, then click on your required field of research. And then from here you can choose your supervisor according to your field. And when you decide with which supervisor you want to research, then go back to main page. And then next is eligibility. From here you can check eligibility for this scholarship. Open for application to all international graduates with a passion for research and excellent academic results, good skills in written and spoken English, good reports from academic referees. The above eligibility criteria are not exhaustive. A star may include additional selection criteria based on prevailing scholarship policies. These policies may be amended from time to time without notice. So next is coverage. From here you can check the award provides support for up to 4 years of PhD studies, including your tuition fees waived, and you receive monthly stipend $2,000, which will be increased to $2,500 after the passing of the qualifying examination, and one-time airfare grant of up to $1,500, one-time settling in allowances of $1,000. So from here you can check every information. Next is application procedure. So in application procedure, first is browse PhD research projects. Go to research area to browse the projects you are interested in. And after that, second is documents required. Do prepare the following documents in advance before applying. Do not mail any hard copy documents to SINGA office. All necessary documents are to be submitted online. So first is valid passport, and second is a recent passport sized photo in JPEG or PNG format. Third is transcripts and reports. All transcripts need to be in English translation, and bachelor's and or master's academic transcript are mandatory. Bachelor degree certificates or a letter of certification from the university on your candidature if your degree certificate scroll has not been conferred. 2 recommendations reports to be completed and submitted online by the referees. And these are optional: GRE, IELTS, TOEFL. Important information. Please read the important information below. Please ensure that the information you provide during account registration in the application portal is accurate, as the information will be used for verification upon your first login. Please do not mail any hard copy documents. So if you scroll down, then apply now via this link. So click here. First you have to register. So click on register now. For registering your account, first write your full name. Next is your first name, middle name if you have, then last name. Select your gender. Select your citizenship type. Select your nationality and Singapore NRIC, and please note that NRIC and date of birth will be used for identity verification upon login. Then next is write your passport number, date of birth, email address, confirm email. Then here write this CAPTCHA code. Check this I accept the term of use privacy statement and then click on submit. After submitting this form, you receive the email, and in email you receive the password of your account. Then click the link. When you log in, then please set up two-factor authentication for your account. Click OK. And for two-factor authenticator, first you have to install application from Play Store. I will give the link of application in description, so you can see in description. When you install application, then click on plus sign. After this, you can add manually or you can scan QR code. When you click on scan QR code, and from here you can click on generate QR code. In your mobile application, you scan the QR code with this QR code, and after scanning you see on your mobile screen 6 digits. Then in 30 seconds you have to enter those 6 digits here and then click on validate code. If you didn't enter 6-digit code in 30 seconds, then the code change after 30 seconds. Then if you late, then you have to enter the second code before 30 seconds, and after entering the code just click on validate code and your registration is complete. You click on apply to scholarships. Then from here you can check the information about scholarships, which scholarship is available or scholarship applications is closed. For example, you see here National Science Scholarship BS midterm. So on this scholarship you can apply till 1st May. And in graduate studies A-star Computing and Information Science Scholarship, you can apply till 31st July. And National Science Scholarship for Masters closed. National Science Scholarship MD PhD closed. So from here you can check the dates of scholarship. For example, if I click on this A-star Graduate Scholarship Singapore, so click on apply. Please ensure that your referee reports at least 2 are submitted within 7 working days upon your application submission. Okay. So here are some instructions about scholarship, term and conditions. So click on next. On the top you can see some boxes. So first is personal information, education details, education, others, languages, awards, and career, education plans, research, essay, referee or declaration. So first is personal information. In personal information You have to fill about your full name, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, then select your religion and select your country of birth. Scroll down. Next is citizenship information. So fill all citizen information. Are you currently a PR of any country other than Singapore? Please provide the information below. So if you have any PR status, then from here select yes or no and then give the information about PR if you have. Otherwise skip this portion. Next is home addresses. So write your home address, city, state, country, postal code, your mobile number, secondary email, then give your family details. So first is combined household, how much income, select from here. Then relationship, full name, employer or school, contact number, nationality, occupation. For example, if you select from here father, then write your father full name, your father occupation, nationality, contact number. Next, if you select from here mother, then write your mother full name, contact number, nationality, and then occupation. And if you want to enter some other family member information, then click on add entry. Otherwise, after filling this form, click on next. For some information, next is educational details. So first you have to give your secondary school information, then junior college or pre-university equivalent, and select your qualification, institute name, country, exam year, and from here click on upload and upload your transcript of secondary school. Scroll down and give all information, and if you want to enter some other educational information, then click on add entry, and then you can enter some other information about your qualification. All your secondary, primary and tertiary education information, and if you have any professional certificate information, then click on add entry and give your all information about your professional certificate. And after filling all this form, then click on next. Next is education's others, for example IELTS, GRE. So this is not mandatory, so skip this portion. And next is languages award and CCA. Then fill these all forms, career, education plans, about your research, then essay, and give the information of 2 referee, and then check the declaration and submit your application form. When you submit the application form, then you receive the email of your submission of application, and shortlisted candidates will be notified within 12 weeks from the application closing date. So you have to wait for 12 weeks after the deadline, 1st June 2021. So guys, if you have any question regarding to this scholarship, then ask me in comment section. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.